Turmeric powder for face. Turmeric powder is a popular ingredient in skincare due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and beauty practices in India and other parts of the world. When used topically, turmeric powder can help reduce inflammation, brighten the skin, and improve overall skin health. However, it is important to note that some people may be allergic to turmeric or may experience skin irritation when using it. It is always a good idea to do a patch test before applying turmeric powder to your face and to consult with a dermatologist if you have any concerns. It is also important to use high-quality turmeric powder and to mix it with other ingredients that can help enhance its benefits and reduce the risk of irritation. For example, you can mix turmeric powder with honey, yogurt, or aloe vera gel to create a soothing and nourishing face mask. Overall, turmeric powder can be a beneficial ingredient in your skincare routine, but it is important to use it safely and appropriately. Thank you for watching.